name is Maria Lynn and my food truck is Rico. It's been a lifelong dream to cook for others as a home cooked meal, and this has been a dream that my husband has allowed me to realize. I recently lost my husband in January of 2022, and his memorial is gonna be in that wrapping of the trailer. I'm very emotional about my design because it has a lot of meaning. The mission statement is something he always lived by, is to live the moment. It's gonna be anything from frituras to rice and beans or rice and chickpeas. We're gonna have sandwiches, breakfast and lunch. It's gonna be a variety of home-cooked Puerto Rican meals.
3, 2, 1.
I'm looking forward to what the future has for us.